This quick video will show you how to add internal links in WordPress. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the post or page where you want to add the internal link. Click Posts or Pages, find the content you want to edit, and then click Edit. Once the editor opens, highlight the text that you want visitors to click on. After selecting the text, click the link icon in the toolbar. A search box will appear where you can paste a URL or search for content that already exists on your website. Simply start typing the name of the post or page you want to link to, and WordPress will show matching results. Select the correct post or page from the list, then press Enter or click Apply to add the link. You can click on the linked text to review the link and make sure it points to the correct page. If needed, you can edit or remove the link at any time. Once you're finished, click Update or Publish to save your changes. Internal links help connect your content, improve navigation, and make it easier for visitors to find related information on your website. And that's how you add internal links in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.